Let's talk about how to spot abnormal pipe vibrations, and most importantly, what you need to do.
Rule number 1, a vibration is never normal. Think of it as a warning sign of a bigger problem.
That warning leads to fatigue, then cracks, and eventually a dangerous leak. It's a clear progression.
We're going to cover 10 key signs to look for, focusing on these specific high-risk areas.
Use this simple 3-step rule. See the movement, listen for odd sounds, and compare it to normal.
So if you notice a change, the protocol is simple. Note it, report it, and classify its priority. First sign, a pipe that's visibly dancing. You need to classify it and get an analysis done right away.
Second, listen for any repetitive knocking. It's a priority B action to check supports and flow issues.
Third up, friction marks. You'll want to correct the contact point and check the pipe guides.
Fourth, support bolts that keep coming loose. Make sure to fix the bolts and the source of the vibration.
Number 5 is a really dangerous mix. Corrosion at supports combined with vibration. This is high priority.
Sixth, and this one is critical, vibrating small bore piping. That's a priority A because it can fail fast.
Seventh, look for stress at sensitive welds. If you see even a trace of a leak, act immediately.
Eighth on our list, poorly adjusted supports. Either way too tight or way too loose. They need immediate adjustment.
Number 9 is vibration that's tied to the process itself. You'll need to verify operating conditions. And finally, any new vibration that shows up after maintenance, go back and recheck the work that was done.
Okay, time for a quick check. First question, if a pipe has always vibrated, is that okay?
Absolutely not. If you can see it or hear it, you have to take action. Constant stress causes fatigue.
Next up, why do we treat a vibrating small bore line as such a critical issue?
It's simple. The risk of a fast, total rupture and an immediate leak is just too high.
And for our last question, what's the main danger when you see friction on a pipe support?
It causes both wear and metal fatigue, which will definitely lead to a crack in the pipe over time.
So here's the bottom line. Abnormal vibration always means future fatigue. Keep an eye out for those key signs. Next time, we'll get into the common mistakes to avoid with thermal and cryogenic insulation. Thanks for your attention.